roses, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell. Upcoming artist Chrisean, which is one of BlueFace's ex-girlfriends, has finally repaired her missing tooth. BlueFace created a reality show a while back called Blues Girls Club, full of crazy dramatics. Chrisean, being one of the cast members on the OnlyFans hit show, which BlueFace started, had gotten her front tooth knocked out by another female castmate. The upcoming rapper Chrisean has finally repaired her front tooth, and we have the footage. Check it out. Alright guys, if you enjoyed that video, make sure to drop a comment, let us know what you think, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!